Happy Sunday, everybody. Today, we're having a fun day at Blizzard Beach. Yeah, I'm doing it on the Canon today because I didn't want to bring the big camera here, and we're gonna switch to the GoPro pretty soon, so let's get inside.
Will you take one of us?
One of this alligator went through the wall and then like walked off slowly. Actually, maybe he like came off the roof there and then like tried to slow down and was like, oh no, wall. All right, so we are trying to get a locker, so we're gonna do it here on the kiosk. So go ahead and do, so we're gonna do a large locker for 15 bucks, I guess, all day. So cold. There was a hidden Mickey over here, but I can't seem to find it. Oh, he comes all the way over here and it's so cold. So cold. He tried to move out of the way and he ran into me and then he got sucked back in. We're just here getting some lunch at Wada Wada. The food that we got 2 burgers, a specialty flatbread, which is like a bruschetta flatbread, and then we got chips instead of fries because these chips look awesome. Toboggan racers. Oh, stop! Oh no! They're beating me! might try to go into this area, you never know. Let's see, Jen's in there already. She's like, I'm doing it. I don't even care. How upset are you right now? They didn't let you on the ride?
No. He let me wait in the whole entire line and then was like, you can't do it.
But what was his reasoning?
I'm an adult.
Oh, because you're too tall though?
No, I'm just an adult.
Oh, we saw the sign. Oh no, you stopped right there? What happened? Oh no. And thus ends our day at Blizzard Beach. We had a lot of fun here. Like a lot of fun.
What was your favorite ride of the day?
I think my favorite ride was like right there. There was like a zigzaggy type thing on a blue or a purple mat. Snowstormers.
And we also really liked the family raft ride. What was that called?
Team Springs.
Team Springs. So you had to have at least 5 people. No, at least 4 people. We only had 3, so we had to wait for another group to come. But that was the most fun. It was like the Bubba Tub where it was like, woo. It's awesome.
Also, I was talking with somebody up at the top of one of the slides and they said, this is the most fun I've had on my vacation because I don't have to wait 5 hours to go on a ride. Like the lines were really short here and it was a lot of fun. To put that into perspective, the longest we waited was for the last ride. That was probably a 15-minute wait. But for the most part, all of the rides were like a 5-minute wait. Like just walk right up, get your tube, walk right in. Oh no, they started the waves again. They cleared all the water. And now they just started doing the waves again. Today was actually the perfect day to go to the water parks because there was very low humidity and it was like in the low 80s. Like it couldn't get much better than this. I do have to admit though, at the end of the day, up at the top of one of the like slides, it got a little bit cold because the wind was blowing, the sun was behind a cloud. It got a little bit cold, but it was perfect the rest of the day. I do also suggest that you guys put on a lot of sunscreen and make sure you reapply throughout the day because you will get burnt here. There's not a lot of shade. The other thing you guys should do is if you're looking for a seat, make sure you go to the back of the park, like go all the way around the mountain. There's a bunch of seats back there wide open. This is kind of awesome. They have a little UV index sign here and they give you a suggested sun protection factor for your sun cream or your sunscreen. Look at this fun little photo spot they have. Actually, when we were here earlier, we noticed that they were like spritzing water like they were melting snowmen. But they seem to have stopped now that the park's closed. Holy macaroni, we had such a fun time at Blizzard Beach today. Like, I can't believe it's taken us this long to actually go to a water park. We need to go to water parks way more often because they were super fun. There's still another water park for us to go to, Typhoon Lagoon. I'm excited, I can't wait to do more water parks this summer. Although the water park did wear me out, so now I'm extremely tired and I have to go to bed. So, I'll see you guys tomorrow, and now it's time to pay the price.